Are you in business or studying accounting and finance but having trouble understanding VAT? Well, let's imagine a business selling shoes. You will be surprised to learn that the business or the shop selling the shoes actually act as collection agent for the government. Okay, but what exactly does that mean and how does that work in practice? Well, let's say the selling price of a pair of shoes is $100 and the rate of VAT or value added tax is 15%. The final selling price will be $100 plus $15, $115. Now, out of those $115, $100 belongs to the business. The remaining $15, you guessed it right, belongs to the government. However, let's also assume that the shop bought some raw materials to manufacture the shoes and paid $5 in VAT to purchase the raw material. This $5 is known as input tax. Basically, the output tax is $15 and the input tax is $5. Well, this means that the net amount to be paid to the government is $15 less $5, which is $10. My name is Shaktee Ramtohul. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos on accounting, banking, and finance.